Alright, welcome back to another Ed on Life. I am Ed. Another name change I do see, but only reason being is I do plan on getting rid of the Ninja later this year. So I didn't see the point in carry on with the name the Northwest Ninja. So I thought I'd try and make it a bit more personal. As you can see, Daniel's not messaging me back. We're gonna go drop by him later. Why? Why? Because I replaced my handlebars grips. I had the Oxford heated grips on and didn't like them, so I switched them for these. They look really cool. I think I got them from XL Motor. I think it's a Polish company. But the problem I've got is these won't go on fully, and I've just like wrecked my hands trying to do it. So I'm gonna go see my mate Dan, the muscle man Dan. See if he can try and push them on. I mean, because I can't be bothered doing it anymore. I spent like a good hour this morning doing it. So I'm gonna go up that way, down the A6, all the way to wherever he lives. On getting rid of her, I'm like 75% sure that I want to get rid of her. I want to go for something a bit more cruiser style, you know. I think that'd be more to my liking, and we'll just have to see. I'm going to hopefully test ride a few before we come to that point, really. But we'll just have to have a see. The funny thing is, the road that I've just come from, when I very first got my bike and passed my test, and I was doing my very first commute to Tesco, I came up this way and went down that road. It's a lot different. It's a lot. I remember it being really small. You know, it was more like a single track road, but no, it's more like 2 lanes, pretty much. 2 small lanes, I'll give it that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do love the Ninja, but just something about it's putting me off it. Yeah, there's something about it's just not to my liking. I mean, that's why I've planned on doing it towards the end of the year. Because, well, financially it'll be better for me, but also just I don't want to regret it, because I've wanted this bike for ages, and for the time I've had it, I've loved it, but there's something about it now is not sitting well with me. I don't know what it is. So yeah, the heated grips weren't a problem to get off, but just getting these fucking bar ends back on's a problem. They were a problem last time, but I managed to do it. This is probably the first time I've actually ridden on a weekend since sometime last March, obviously because of lockdown. It feels weird. It feels it's silly, isn't it, really? It just feels more casual. Like normally I ride to and from work and it's like I've got my bag on, I've got my warm clothes on, I've got my work gear on underneath. I feel heavy. But today I've just got like a hoodie on, my leather jacket, my armoured pants, my boots. I feel so much lighter. And I think half the reason is the commute is because I'm wearing so much shit. It's just so heavy and it just tires me out, wears me down. So did you like that intro? You know, welcome to Ed on Life, I'm Ed. I feel like it was just way more nicer than, you know, calling myself the Northwest Ninja or Hannibal Rides. So I just gotta find one now that fits, that sits well with everything I want to do, because when I hopefully do make it bigger, it's going to be a lot harder to change my name. Well, it won't be a lot harder, I could still do it, it'll just be a lot, you'll be like, why? I used to absolutely blast it down here. I used to live this way, so a little bit of history for you. I used to live in Farnworth, and I used to just absolutely bomb it down here. It was just such a good road. Like when I was on my pedal bike, I'd be like, yeah, let's just fucking go, trying to cycle as fast as I could. But now I'm on the big bike, it's like, let's fucking do it, let's fucking ride. Obviously we can't, because we've got people who don't know the speed limit. Well, they do, don't they? What they're not doing what I want to do, which is not break the law, which is not go fast in any capacity. That was a slow turn, wasn't it? Do you mind? My camera does not need cleanings. Cleanings, my camera. They were probably looking at me like, what the fuck is he doing? Oh, hello, princess. Yeah, he's just riding along, riding along, stroking his camera. Daft sods. Don't open your door. Thank you. So I would turn left there. I did last time, but not this time. No. I believe we turn left here. We do. We're on the right road now. I'll catch you all in a bit. Thanks for watching, guys and girls. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe. See you later.